In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop ads in Yahoo Mail inbox. We'll walk through the official options inside Yahoo so you can choose a permanent ad-free experience or a quick way to reduce the ads you see. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. Click the official Yahoo Mail link to open the sign-in page. Go ahead and sign in as you normally do. Ads are part of the free version, so to remove them completely, you'll use Yahoo's built-in subscription. Once you're in the new Yahoo Mail view, look to the top right corner for your profile initial or photo. Click it, then choose Account Info. If you don't see these options, make sure you're using the latest Yahoo Mail interface or try on a desktop browser for the clearest layout. In Account Info, select Subscription, then click Explore Subscription. This takes you to Yahoo Mail's paid plans. Open Yahoo Mail Plus. Here, you'll see the main benefit, an ad-free inbox, along with a few extras that may vary by region. When you're ready, click. Try it free for 14 days. After the trial, the plan renews at about $5 per month unless you cancel. Be sure to review the price and terms on your screen, as promotions and availability can change, and you'll need a valid payment method to start the trial. If you decide it's not for you, set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. Once active, the ad removal applies when you're signed in with the same account across web and mobile. If you'd rather not subscribe, you can still reduce ad clutter temporarily. In your inbox, hover over an ad and click the small X, or open the three-dot menu on the ad. Choose feedback options like dislike this ad or stop seeing this ad. This hides or downgrades that specific ad and helps the system show fewer similar ones. Keep in mind, this does not eliminate ads entirely, and you may need to repeat the action from time to time. It's a quick way to tidy your view when something distracting appears. That's it. You searched for Yahoo Mail, signed in, opened Account Info, went to Subscription, explored Yahoo Mail Plus, and started the trial for a fully ad-free inbox, or used the X and menu controls to tone down ads on the fly. Choose the route that fits your needs and enjoy a cleaner inbox.